All right, cool. This is the last video in the series. This is going to go from measure 32 to the end because there's not a lot of new material between here and there. So start at the beginning. Here's 32. You've got to pick up here in the same way that you do at measure 16. Starts just before the downbeat. And I'm probably in the wrong key. But yeah, so same rules apply. You've got this dotted half note, good for 3 beats. Half notes here. Bum, bum, ba, da, dum. Nothing to it. Anytime you see stuff like this where you've got a 3rd fret second string and a 3rd fret first string, so 2 notes on the same fret right after each other, you can use that same technique that we talked about where you kind of roll your fingers over like this. So 3 and then 3 like this. You can also use 2 different fingers, ring and pinky. Whatever's easier. Okay. This stuff is all the, let's look at my face. There you go. This stuff is all the same stuff that we learned back from measures 16 through 25. Piece of cake. So let's move on from here. If you need a refresher through here, go back and watch the 16 through 25 video. And same thing here from measures 41 until the end. If you're watching, it uses that same figure. It's just a slightly different here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, or whatever those notes are. Let's play them so I'm playing the right thing here. Let's take it from Kings and Vagabonds. And remember, so 2 notes that are right on top of each other, you can totally do the same trick, okay? So that feel the, and then here, Kings and same bit. How it's laid to rest, okay? We're going to take it from here, measure 42, and kind of roll through to the end of the piece here. It goes like this. 2, 3. There we go. Okay, so you can see, looking here, Kings and Vagabonds. If we go back to the previous section, wide-eyed, same figure and same thing. Bum, 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 wanderer. Go forward, vagabonds. Okay, so the only new stuff here is that this rhythm is slightly different. You got 2 notes instead of 1. And then this nice little walk down here. Bum, bum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's, nothing's too tough here. That's why I'm doing this one as one large video, because there's so much repeated stuff. If you're having issues, go back and watch 16 through 25 or 25 through 32, and I think you'll be fine. Let's play from 32 to the end. Okay. And I think this time I'll play along with the recording. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Here it goes. That's not so bad. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Same figure from the previous video. Here we go. 1, 2. Nothing to it. Okay, let's do the exact same thing one more time, but a little bit slower. That's set to 120, which is what the Sound Slice video is set to. I'm going to pull it back to 80. So we'll take the whole thing just a tiny bit slower so you can get a better idea for what the fingers are going to do and how to approach and basically prepare for those notes before they're on top of you. Okay, here's 80 beats per minute. Okay, and we're going to start right here. Here we go. 2. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 4, 1, 2. Flatten your finger out to catch that note. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3. There you go. Okay, so now that we've got that section down, I feel like we're ready to play the whole thing. I'm going to bring it back up to 120 beats per minute, so let's get rid of this tempo change here. Okay, you, go away. Make you 120. Ta-da. Okay, we're going to go back up to the beginning and play the entire thing at this speed. Okay, and you guys should be just fine. Here we go. Top of the piece. Okay. And in Sound Slice, guys, take it as slow as you need to go in order to play it correctly, okay? Don't try to whip through the thing. Go slow and correct. That's always what we're looking for. Here it comes. Back off a little bit. Here we go. 1. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. Flatten it out. You got it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Flatten. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here's the pickup. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3. There you go. As far as turning this one in, guys, any speed is fine, but that's 120. That's pretty fast. Anything above 80, I think, is acceptable, okay? So, and if you need to take this song slower than 80 in order to play it correctly and then gradually speed it up with time, you have my blessing. Please do that. Don't whip through it and try to just play it fast and wrong. Nobody cares about fast and wrong. I want slow and correct, okay? Cool. That's it.